Question 10A1. What is a lake? A lake is a mass of water which occupies a depression on the surface of the earth. Question 10A2. Give 3 processes that lead to formation of lakes. Through earth movements, through volcanicity, through erosion, through deposition, through mass movement, through weathering by solution, through human activities. Question 10B. Describe how Lake Victoria was formed. Internal land forming process caused vertical earth movements, which resulted in downwarping of a huge region. Downwarping led to the formation of a huge depression. Uplifting of land masses around the depression during the formation of the Mau Ranges and the Ruwenzori altered the drainage of the area. Some rivers from Kenya which flowed westwards were cut off and diverted into the depression. Some rivers in Uganda such as Katonga, Kafo and Kangera were reversed to flow into the depression. Deposition of water into the depression caused further downwarping. The mass of water which accumulated formed Lake Victoria. Question 10C. Explain 3 factors why some lakes in Rift Valley in Kenya are saline. Some rivers and surface runoff flowing over volcanic rocks empty salt solutions in some lakes, thus increasing salinity. Some lakes lack surface outlets in form of rivers which lead to accumulation of salts. Some lake beds are made of rocks rich in soluble salts where the lake water directly dissolves some salts, thus increasing salinity. Some lakes are fed by springs rich in salty water which contributes to salinity. Some lakes are located in high temperature regions with high evaporation rates, that accumulation of salts. Question 10D. Explain 4 ways in which lakes influence the climate of the surrounding areas. Large lakes contribute to large quantities of moisture, which aids in the formation of conventional rainfall. Lakes increase the absolute humidity of the surrounding area by adding extra moisture through evaporation. Lakes facilitate the development of land and lake breezes through the creation of pressure differences between water surface and the land surface. Air currents. Air currents from lakes lower the temperature of the surrounding regions during the summer. During winter, lake breezes may bring a warming effect to adjacent regions, for example, the Great Lakes of North America. Land and lake breezes may strengthen or reverse the pattern of prevailing winds over adjacent regions. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video to look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.